Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about RAM memory because the majority of users are totally wrong on what it means when they look at the RAM usage, for example, in the Task Manager. So let's go here and let's check my system on the Task Manager. If I look at my amount of memory used, so right now I have in use close to 10 gigabytes. And of course, this is 32 gigabytes that I have available. And some people might have a system, depending on what you're using and what you're doing, that it's even higher. Some have seen, 50, 60, 70% of their RAM being used and think that it's a bad thing. And this is the misconception that everybody has, thinking that because Windows is using a lot of RAM, it's a bad thing. One of the things that a lot of people are stuck is with how it used to work back 20 years or 30 years ago. Back in the day, usually a very high RAM usage meant that your system had something wrong. Maybe an app was leaking RAM, or all sorts of things could happen, and it wasn't a good thing. And that stayed with everybody because a lot of people don't understand that the RAM management of Windows 10 and 11 today is extremely different. It actually wants to use as much RAM as possible because it's there and because it makes your system faster. So a lot of people, when they see the RAM usage go way high, think that, I need to, find a way to lower the RAM usage. No, you don't. In 99% of the time, it's fine. And there is no issue. It's a problem that a lot of people also think, it's the bad programming of Windows and so on, not understanding that, nope, it's just the management. Today's software and operating systems, they want to use all of your resources as much as possible because it's there and that's the way it should be. Why have 32 gigabytes of RAM to never use more than 16? It's a nonsense. You're paying for extra RAM that is useless. That's why Windows 10 and 11 might actually use a lot of RAM, and when it's idle, and it's fine. Stop going crazy about, no, there's a problem. You don't understand that today is not 1995. Today's operating system, Windows 11, has a RAM management system that wants to use the RAM to make things fast. Because RAM is the fastest thing you have in your PC. It makes sense to use a lot of it. So, you got to be careful with that because a lot of people, I get it regularly, maybe I should have those RAM cleaners and those. No, leave it alone. You're actually making things worse. You are, in fact, using those RAM cleaners, making your system slower because it's not meant to be like that. You're interfering with how Windows manages the RAM memory. Now, there are things that are, problematic. Everybody knows, for example, Chromium-based browsers, and especially Google Chrome and even Microsoft Edge, are terribly RAM hungry. And that is a different thing. Here we're not talking about, I know the Google browser, the Edge browser, when you use it for a while, really uses a lot of memory. That is more into, they could have, cleaner code to make things better. But we're really talking about idle Windows. You're not using any apps. You're just looking at the task manager and the memory that that's being consumed, the RAM memory. Don't worry. If you're using 80% of your RAM, it's fine. It's not fine if you really see that your PC is slow. If you don't notice any sluggishness, if you don't notice that your PC is slower than it should be, it is fine. Leave it alone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.